Check out the 30 latest Ninja kitchen gadgets, each designed to make cooking a breeze. From the knife system's built-in sharpener to the dual-zone air fryer's versatile multi-basket cooking. Is your kitchen truly as well-equipped as you think? You might be surprised. Get ready to uncover 30 incredible kitchen helpers you didn't even know you needed. Imagine having a kitchen assistant that can air fry, roast, reheat, bake, dehydrate, and even roast. The Ninja air fryer makes it possible. With its extra-large capacity, it's perfect for cooking up crispy, golden fries or perfectly roasted veggies for the whole family. The advanced heat technology ensures even cooking and less oil, making your meals healthier without compromising on flavor. It's a game-changer for anyone who loves versatile, quick cooking. Take your outdoor cooking to a whole new level with the Ninja Woodfire Pro. This all-in-one powerhouse lets you grill, smoke, roast, bake, and more. With its Woodfire flavor infusion, you'll get that smoky, grilled taste without needing a separate smoker. The precision temperature control ensures perfectly cooked meals every time, while the extra-large cooking area handles everything from juicy steaks to tender ribs. Ideal for backyard BBQs or cozy gatherings. Start your day with a perfectly brewed cup of coffee from the Ninja Programmable Coffee Brewer. With its programmable features, you can set it up the night before and wake up to fresh, hot coffee. This brewer offers multiple brew sizes and strengths, so you can customize your coffee just the way you like it. Whether you're brewing a single cup or a full pot, it's designed for convenience and delicious flavor. Say goodbye to bland mornings and hello to coffee bliss. The Ninja Compact Blender is your go-to for quick and easy blending. Perfect for smoothies, shakes, and sauces, this blender combines powerful performance with a compact design. Its durable blades and high-torque motor handle tough ingredients effortlessly, ensuring smooth, consistent results every time. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a healthy snack, this blender fits seamlessly into your kitchen routine without taking up too much counter space. Indulge in homemade frozen treats with the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. This versatile machine turns ice cream, sorbet, and gelato into a creamy, delightful dessert in minutes. With its powerful motor and easy-to-use controls, you can customize your frozen creations to your liking. The large bowl capacity makes it perfect for family-sized servings, and cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're craving a classic vanilla or adventurous flavors, this is your ticket to deliciously frozen perfection. Transform your kitchen with the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This versatile gadget air fries, bakes, roasts, and toasts, making it a must-have for any home chef. Its spacious interior handles family-sized meals, while the air fryer function ensures crispy, golden results with less oil. From quick snacks to full dinners, it's perfect for those who want to cook fast, healthy meals without sacrificing flavor. The sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen style. Wake up to your perfect cup with the Ninja single-serve coffee maker. This compact machine is designed for convenience, brewing a single cup of your favorite coffee quickly and efficiently. Choose from multiple brew sizes and strengths to suit your taste. Ideal for busy mornings or a quick pick-me-up, it delivers fresh coffee with minimal fuss. No more waiting for a whole pot when a single serving is all you need. Blend on the go with the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This compact powerhouse is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and more. Its powerful motor and sharp blades handle fruits, veggies, and ice with ease, giving you smooth, delicious drinks wherever you are. The portable design means you can take it to the gym, office, or anywhere your busy life takes you. Quick, easy blending for a healthier lifestyle just got more convenient. Cut through your kitchen tasks with ease using the Ninja Foodi Never Dull knife system. This set includes precision knives designed for durability and sharpness that lasts. Each knife is crafted to handle everything from chopping vegetables to slicing meats effortlessly. The included sharpener keeps your blades in top shape, ensuring you always have a reliable tool at hand. Upgrade your kitchen cutlery with this high-performance knife system for all your cooking needs. Elevate your breakfast game with the Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster. This sleek, compact toaster features a unique flip design that ensures even toasting for perfect golden brown results every time. Its wide slots accommodate a variety of bread types and thicknesses, while the adjustable settings let you choose your preferred level of crispiness. Quick and easy to use, it's ideal for busy mornings when you want your toast just right. Blend with flair using the Ninja Twisti Blender Duo. This versatile blender is perfect for making smoothies, sauces, and soups with its powerful motor and multi-blade design. The unique twisting action ensures consistent blending, while the included cups make it easy to take your creations on the go. Ideal for anyone who loves fresh, homemade beverages and dishes, it simplifies blending with style and efficiency. Start your day with delicious homemade waffles using the Ninja Waffle Maker. This gadget cooks up crispy, golden waffles in minutes, thanks to its advanced heating technology. With adjustable settings, you can customize your waffles to your desired crispiness. Whether you're making breakfast for the family or a special weekend treat, this waffle maker delivers perfectly cooked waffles every time, making it a staple for any breakfast lover. Experience the freshest juice with the Ninja Cold Press Juicer. This innovative juicer uses a slow, cold press process to extract maximum nutrients and flavor from your fruits and vegetables. The result is rich, pure juice with all the essential vitamins and minerals. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean components make it a practical choice for health-conscious individuals who want to enjoy fresh juice at home with minimal hassle. Elevate your coffee experience with the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. This machine offers a range of brew options, from rich espresso to smooth drip coffee, catering to all your caffeine cravings. Its customizable settings allow you to brew the perfect cup, tailored to your taste. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning or hosting a coffee gathering, this versatile coffee maker ensures a delicious brew every time. Blend up a storm with the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker. This powerful blender is designed to make smoothies, shakes, and other blended delights with ease. Its high-performance blades and robust motor handle everything from frozen fruit to ice, giving you smooth, creamy results every time. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack, this smoothie maker ensures your drinks are perfectly blended and delicious. Grill year-round with the Ninja Indoor Grill. This handy gadget lets you enjoy the smoky, charred flavors of outdoor grilling without stepping outside. Its powerful heating element and adjustable temperature settings provide consistent results for everything from burgers to veggies. With a non-stick surface and easy cleanup, it's perfect for cooking up your favorite grilled dishes, regardless of the weather. Double the fun with the Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer. This innovative air fryer features 2 separate baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously at different temperatures. Perfect for busy families or meal prepping, it delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Its smart technology ensures even cooking, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves healthy, homemade fried foods. Start your day right with the Ninja Drip Coffee Maker. This reliable coffee maker brews rich, aromatic coffee with ease, thanks to its programmable features and adjustable brew strength. Whether you prefer a strong cup or a milder brew, it caters to your taste preferences. With a large capacity and easy-to-clean design, it's ideal for busy mornings or cozy coffee breaks with friends. Elevate your coffee game with the Ninja Espresso machine. This sleek appliance delivers rich, cafe-quality espresso right at home. With its easy-to-use controls and built-in frother, you can create everything from a classic espresso to a frothy cappuccino. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts who crave that barista touch, this machine ensures every cup is full of flavor and sophistication. Cook more in less time with the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer. Its 2 stacked baskets let you prepare large meals with ease, all while delivering the crispy, golden results you love. With independent temperature controls for each basket, you can cook multiple dishes at once, making meal times faster and more efficient. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves cooking up a storm. Get chopping with the Ninja Food Chopper. This compact yet powerful chopper makes food prep a breeze, from dicing vegetables to mincing herbs. Its sharp blades and easy-to-use design ensure consistent results every time. Ideal for those who love cooking but want to save time on prep work, this chopper is a kitchen essential that simplifies meal making. Discover the versatility of the Ninja All-in-One Multicooker. This multi-talented appliance combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, and more into one convenient device. With multiple cooking modes and a large capacity, it's perfect for preparing everything from hearty stews to delicate risottos. Its user-friendly interface and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Say goodbye to stuck-on food with the Ninja NeverStick Fry Pan. Its innovative coating ensures food slides out effortlessly, while the durable construction heats evenly for perfect cooking results. Whether you're frying eggs or searing steak, this fry pan offers top-notch performance and easy cleanup. It's a must-have for anyone who values high-quality cookware that stands up to everyday use. Stay refreshed with the Ninja Thirsti drink system. This versatile gadget allows you to create a variety of beverages, from flavored water to infused teas. Its sleek design and easy-to-use features make it perfect for keeping you hydrated in style. Whether you're making a fruity water infusion or a refreshing iced tea, this system has you covered. Bring the pizzeria experience to your backyard with the Ninja Outdoor Pizza Oven. This high-performance oven heats up quickly and cooks pizzas to perfection with a crispy crust and melty cheese. Its portable design means you can take it anywhere, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings and family cookouts. Enjoy delicious, homemade pizzas with the convenience of your own outdoor oven. That's our review of 30 top Ninja kitchen gadgets. But don't stop here. Keep the kitchen fun going with our next video on the best Tupperware gadgets that you'll love. Check this video out.